In this video of a soft cataract, I'm just demonstrating a easy way, in my opinion, of handling such a situation. A easy, fast and effective way. So initially, after putting in my incisions, I go ahead under HPMC, fashion my capsular axis with the bend 26 gauge needle as I usually do. So this is as you can see, it's a pretty soft cataract, probably grade 2, not more than that. So just making sure that my axis is adequate and circular and aesthetically good looking, what have you, and there, that's done. Now watch how I do my hydrodissection. I do the hydrodissection in order, there's the wave progressing, keep putting and just tilt one pole out of the bag. That's it. Just one pole is out of the bag, not the entire nucleus. You can do with the entire nucleus also, but then the chamber gets a bit crowded. Then I take my dialer in my left hand and I am supporting that pole on the other side, and then go in with my phaco probe. This is a 2.8 millimeter incision. I first shave off some of the epinucleus, and I am getting at the epinucleus nuclear junction, and I am trying to carousel this nucleus. You may not get the complete carousel because this does tilt a bit. Doesn't matter. Whenever you come across some epinuclear bits, you can just vacuum it off and then floor your pedal and go. This is very low phaco. Mostly it's very high vacuum and high flow rate. And watch, my tip is always facing downwards. It is in continuous mode. And once I've done, I just switch over. I have taking out little of those bits of epinuclear tissue under that paracentesis. Now I switched over to irrigation aspiration mode. My parameters in irrigation aspiration are 250 and 20. That is 250 vacuum and 20 millimeters of outflow. Note how the bevel is always facing down. Make sure you occlude complete tip with cortex before you strip it towards the center. This is a pretty safe method actually. So you can go all around, and that's it. There are a bit of few fibers on the posterior capsule. Think twice and then decide no, not with the phaco tip. I then go with my irrigation cannula. I'm going to hydro implant this lens. This is a single piece hydrophilic IOL, very easy to do it this way. Inject it directly into the bag. In any other case, you could have completed the surgery at this step, but however, I've got that little issue of the posterior capsular fibers. So I go with my capsule polishing mode. After taking out the viscoelastic from front, I go behind the lens and I go in the posterior capsule polishing mode and polish the capsule as well. These are very low parameters. It is just 5 millimeters of vacuum and 5 millimeters AFR. Very safe. And most of the polishing is actually mechanical. Once that's done, just doing a thorough job. Once that's done, I come out, put in my intracameral antibiotic, hydrate the wounds and conclude my surgery. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps.